UB, 30 years of innovation, driving the future of smart manufacturing and automation. At the core of our vision is the smart ecosystem, a connected world where systems, people, and machines work as one, from MES and WMS to robotics, automation, and artificial intelligence. We bring every element together into one intelligent flow. This integration means fewer errors, greater efficiency, and seamless operations from factory floor to warehouse. Backed by strong local research and development, and trusted by leading names across industries, we continue to push boundaries and set new standards. Together, we are shaping the next era of manufacturing, reimagining the future, powering transformation. UB,